Hello, today we are going to find out the names of African wild animals. So let's get started. Purple. Let's find out what animal is in purple. Giraffe. This is giraffe. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Blue. Let's find out what animal is in blue. Hyena. This is hyena, wild animal from Africa. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Green. Let's find out what animal is in green. Elephant. This is elephant, a large animal with a trunk and tusks. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Red. Let's find out what animal is in red. Leopard. This is leopard. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Yellow. Let's find out what animal is in yellow. Lion. This is lion. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Orange. Let's find out what animal is in orange. Zebra. This is zebra, an African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. From the animals we have seen, what animals you just saw and you like the most? Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.